Hey guys, Aaron with Arnold's Outdoor Life. Today I'm going to try something new. It's kale cashew chips. Recipe I found. I don't remember the website, but I'll put it in the in the description. So basically, what we're going to do is we're going to take 1 cup cashews that you're going to want to soak in water for at least an hour to 8 hours. I think I soaked these for 4. A 1/3 cup water, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon of cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt. So put the liquid in and the cashews. Alright, I'm going to keep on processing this until it's ready. Okay, I think I got it pureed up good enough. I actually ended up adding just a little bit more water than what the recipe called for. I think I might have been a little heavy on the cashews. So, kind of make it like a paste. It almost looks like really thin hummus. Then I'm going to go ahead and set up my little work surface here and get my trays ready. And then we'll start coating the kale. Should be a pretty interesting little snack. I'm kind of interested to see how it turns out. If it turns out well, I think I might try using maybe cashews, or not cashews, but pistachios, or maybe a combination of nuts like peanut, cashew, and pistachios. We'll see how it turns out. I ahead and did a couple. So basically what you're going to want to do is take your kale in there and just kind of dredge it around a little bit. Get it coated as best you can. And get them set on your trays. I think, maybe it could have used maybe even a little bit more water than what I added. I think next time I actually might end up putting more vinegar in it, depending on how the flavor turns out. But I'm going to go ahead and finish getting these all coated up and get them in the dehydrator, and I'll show you what they look like when they're finished. These kale chips, I tried one before they were completely dry. They're really, really good. I think next time I gotta make the coating a lot thinner because it's having some trouble drying. So you can see there it came off of there. I think if it's a little thinner it'll dry a little better. But for being kale, they're really good.